you just refer people to videos, and it makes life much better in terms of time management. So currently, we are on Royal Q. What we're going to do is, from the previous session, we agreed on moving some of your trading capital to the spot market so that we no longer trade long positions on the futures, because long position, it's about appreciation of the asset. It's about the price going up. When you take a long position on the futures, it means you believe that speculatively the asset is going to increase in value. So when the asset increases in value, you'll be making profits because you'll be on the long position. So what we are going to do going forward, your long positions will be traded from the spot market, because on the spot market, there's no like collateral. You're not entering into a contract. When you have a certain quantity of XRP, that quantity, it's yours entirely. So that's beautiful. So now, what are we going to do now? It's simple. We go to, you can see there is actually an amount of can you please tap on the circular arrow above mine there to refresh our USDT and see if all is perfect? Yeah, it's been refreshed and I can see it has updated also. So what we're going to do is the whole amount of 15.85. Can you see 15 cents and 85 cents? I mean, $15.85. Can you see that?
Yes.
We're going to move it to, we are moving it to spot because it's available. Can you please take me to the transaction page so that we look at the leverage you're trading currently on futures?
Sorry.
No, not that. Click on average price. Average price of the anywhere that, yes. So I just want to check. Okay, you're trading 5x leverage. Can you see at the top there?
Yes.
No, it's 3x. I beg your pardon. It's 3x top right. Can you see below the circled question mark? There's 3x.
Yeah.
Yes. So you're trading that. So that is okay. And this will start going into profit when XRP is trading at lesser than 1.36. That's the average price. That is a short position currently. So we are no longer trading long positions. We'll no longer be trading long positions on this side. So let's go first into your, let's first go into your Binance and then transfer USDT from futures, available USDT from futures wallet to your spot wallet. You will tap at the bottom right, there's assets. And then you can tap on futures from overview at the top there. Can you see that on futures, we see 20.7 there. And tap on spot at the top there, you'll see what's happening inside spot wallet. Can see on spot, we just have 0.56. Yes, so now tap back on futures. And then there's trade in yellow, there's swap, and there's transfer. Tap on transfer. The transfer should be from futures to, I mean, it should be from futures to spot. So tap on the swap, up and down, arrows to swap.
Okay.
Yes. So now it means we're transferring USDT. Can you see at the bottom, available is 15.806?
Yes.
46430, yes. Tap on max for maximum USDT amount. Max in yellow. Can you see max?
Yes.
Tap on it. I think it's network. Here we are. So now transfer. So we're moving this from futures to spot. Let's go. We'll be trading with a stop loss. And then you confirm.
It said the balance transfer failed. Please check the balance.
Oh, it has been transferred.
No, it said check the balance. If the balance is sufficient, please check the balance.
Okay, move 13. Let's put 13.
We should put what?
Put 13 instead of 15. Just put 13. 1 3. 13.
Okay.
Confirm.
Successful.
Yeah. So I think they wanted some small quantity to remain on the other side for. Now tap on spot at the top there.
Okay.
You can see you have 13 USDT there.
Yes.
So that's beautiful. So now we have money to trade. Let's go to the other side and look at the coin that we can trade. Let's go to Royal Q. Tap on strategy at the bottom. Can you see below Binance or above plus create this futures martingale? Tap there and select spot. Futures martingale top left. There's an arrow pointing down, yes. Drop down arrow there and select spot. And confirm. We are going to spot now. Can you see at the bottom now on the spot you have $13.80 that we've just transferred? Can you see that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, sir. So now tap on before actually we tap on create bot. Do you want to trade? No, let's not trade XRP now. Let's trade a different coin and we will secure the position with a stop loss so that we stand a chance to make bigger profit. Okay.
Okay.
Now tap on home and then slide the page upward so that we can, yes. Yeah, so yeah, beautiful. Stop. No, don't hide the top and then tap on 24-hour change. No. Top, yeah, tap on 24-hour change. No, don't scroll. There's 24-hour change. Yes. You see layer is on 25%. Sui it's on 20. You see, these kind of coins can give you money. Can you see that? Yeah. So it means we're going to have a setup of a look at JUP. JUP, that's Jupiter. It's 6% plus 6%. Can you see that?
Yes.
JUP. Tap on it. Let's look at it. JUP.
Okay.
Tap on it. We just want to look at the candlesticks. So I understand. You see, it's been pumping, yeah? It's been pumping. So it will still go up. But sometimes we may feel like, hey, it's already too high. So let's not enter it for now.
Okay.
But I know it can still do better, and I'm not scared to enter a coin like this because we're going to have a stop loss if it crashes with us. So if it's on plus 6%, it can still go to plus 20% to even plus 30 and so forth. You see, that is the kind of understanding that we need to have, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now, but let's, because I'm actually bullish for tomorrow still, but a lot can happen. So I'm just asking myself that can we enter it and collect 4%? No. Let's look for the coin that will give us bigger than at least a 10% take profit. Let's move one step back, because this one has really already done a lot. Keep going down. Unibonk. Okay, but look at look at VET. It has just done 3%. Tap on it. Let's look at its VET. Let's look at its daily time frame. We can see where it's at the moment. Tap on 1H hourly. Yeah, you see, it's right where it is. It's on the middle band, the pink line. You see, it can continue to pump. Let's trade it. Click date. We'll have time to talk more about this. But before we do that, also we're going to enter this position, but I want you to do this. From where the price is, look at the candlesticks that is closer, that is about to touch. You see the candlestick that is about where, this is my cursor. Okay, look, can you see the lower line? You see the bottom line?
Yes.
Yes. So
purple.
can you see from left to right, you see it touches one time, second time, where it nearly touched the third time. Can you see that red candlestick? Moving from left to right, you see the price touches 1 and 2, and there's a last one that it nearly touched but it didn't, and it's a red candlestick. Yeah, press anywhere vertically in line with that candlestick. It will give us information of that candlestick. No, just no, don't slide, don't slide. But you see the candlestick, I want you to, we need the low. So press and hold, long press and hold in line with that candlestick. You don't need to touch your hair. Now come back. Drag to 2-step backward. We want that red candlestick. No, you just drag backward. 1, 2, you'll reach. No, you are moving forward. Backward, you are moving forward. And no, you've passed the candlestick. You see the, the red candlestick to the tip.
Yeah.
No, to the lower tip.
To the lower tip.
Yes, where you were. Remember, no, that is the latest that is the current candlestick. I don't want the current candlestick. I want the candlestick at the lower band. Yes, move 1, 2. 1, backward, to the left. That is forward.
I'm trying. Okay. Oh, sorry.
No. You are moving. No, you passed it. I need the red candlestick at the bottom. That one. Now, what is the low on the board that appears there? What is the low or the thumbnail? Can you see the low? Price. Press and give me the low again. No, look at the candlestick you are at. Yeah, that is the candlestick. How much is the low?
0.007526.
Is it 6, not 8?
No, it's 6.
Thank you, sir. So is it 0.0075?
Oh, hold on.
You are not on the right candlestick. You are on the green candlestick.
I know. I'm trying to get it down.
Now you just press and drag to the left, backward or forward, then it will align.
Okay, it's 6. 526.
Yes. So what we want to do there, we're going to have that price level, our exit point. If the market crashes and continues to go down, we're going to come out with our money
Okay.
at that level so that we will enter a better coin. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so that we don't hold positions forever. We need to make money now. So we're going to enter this trade, trading VET. Oh, but this is under USDC. We don't want USDC. Can you
Okay.
see is VET under USDC? Let's come out, please. Be in the market of USDT because you have USDT. Look at below spot, tap on USDT. No, don't scroll. If I say something, I can see it. You just use your eyes. Below spot, there's now you can see VET. There it is. VET.
Yeah.
Tap on it. Below LDO, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the top. Yes, I understand. Now, you see there's minor changes with the price we're looking at from the previous. Tap on the red one. Let's see what price are we going to get here. The red one, yeah.
0.007546. Thank you. Someone was saying.
Oh, no, that is the high. No, check it again. That one is 0.0075 only.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
0.007500. Can you see that?
Yes.
This is going to be our stop loss. If the market doesn't pump, and then we want to collect 10%. But whenever you see 4%, 3%, you can always close it manually, okay?
Okay.
We are hoping that this market will pump and give you 10%. So click on create at the bottom. Yes, and then create again, Martingale strategy board. And then say, don't remind me again so that we don't see this pop-up reminder. Don't remind me, I understand. So when you slide downwards on this transaction page, go downwards, you'll see the strategy details nothing because we've not traded this before, okay? Tap on trade settings at the bottom left. And then trade settings page appears. Move from smart create, go to manually create at the top. And then can you see they say the first buy-in amount is calculated according to the currency pair principle and trade unit. So it means they will tell us exactly how much we can trade with, but we're going to go in with $13. So my template at the top there, my template to the right of it, choose a strategy setting. Don't scroll, just go to choose a strategy setting. I will ask you to slide up or down because what I'm looking at, you also are able to see. Tap where it's written number 5. We are selecting this strategy that we've created already. Tap on number 5 or anywhere there, number 5 or 2%, it will be selected. Now the strategy has been selected. Tap on number, where there's number 12, first buy-in amount, make it 13 because we have 13 USDT. 13. Tap on 13, yes. Put 13 there, yes. And then Everything is okay here. Let's go to margin configuration.
Okay.
Yeah, this margin configuration, it's perfect because first call has 88% because we don't want to the robot to execute the first call because we don't have additional USDT to trade with for now. So your settings are okay. Tap on confirm. Whole position take profit ratio, we want 10%. Put 10% instead of 2. And we said if you see 6%, 4%, or even anything more than 2%, you can always manually collect, go back to the coin or change a coin, trade something else. Now, everything is perfect here. Let's tap on save at the bottom. Confirm. But there's something that we should do. Always, we want to trade under strategy mode, sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. Just tap on that cube box, strategy mode, and select the third option. Below cycle, strategy mode. No, you are on transaction record. Strategy mode, there's a box there. Tap on it.
Okay.
Can you see it? Below cycle.
Yes.
Ask them not to remind you again. I understand. Yes, select sub-bin mode real-time settlement. I've explained that. Sub-bin mode real-time settlement. Sub-bin mode, yes, and confirm. The third one. Confirm. Good. So can you see that your first buying amount towards the bottom left there is strategy details. The first buying amount is how much?
Okay. No,
yes. And our take profit ratio.
Okay.
Beautiful. So you can switch off margin call. It's not going to be taken, but switch it off.
Okay.
The blue button, tap on it.
Okay.
Confirm. And then activate the trade. Yeah, ask them not to show that again so that in future you don't see all this. I understand. Confirm. We are creating the bot. Confirm. When you see pause, it means the strategy is running. Move up the page. Move up the page. Okay. Can you see you now have a position of VET is running?
Yes. But it's still USDT. VET, USDT.
Yeah, but that is the correct one.
Okay.
Yes, remember you have USDT, so you have to trade under the market of USDT so that your USDT is utilized to purchase cryptos that you are trading.
Okay.
And when the profit is collected, the robot will sell that crypto that is volatile in exchange for the USDT again. And that's how you accumulate your dollar.
Okay.
So, and then let's quickly put the stop loss. You tap on, already it's turning green. That's beautiful. Tap on sell.
On what?
Tap on sell.
Oh, okay, so.
Yes. And then you see where it's not tap on market price again so that you have information on the left. We need a trigger price. We are not selling now. Tap on market price again. Edit that 0.007, put 0.0075.
I shall put
0.0075. Delete 908. Delete 908 and put 0.9 also delete and put 5. Put 5. Yes, this is a stop loss. You see, if the market goes against us, we will exit the market with an estimated sell loss of minus 65 cents. Can you see that?
Okay.
which is very good. But we are hoping to make at least 10%, okay?
Okay.
And then click confirm. So can you see now towards the bottom, sell trigger price is lesser or equals to 0.0075. The order there it is, we're not canceling it, okay?
Okay.
So this is beautiful. So thank you so much for your time for tonight. We have to stop the recording and then I will do this and make it available, okay?
Okay. And it's still on one shot.
Yes, it's still on one shot. You can check at the top left corner there, one shot.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.